why data structures and algorithms are must have for developers and where to learn them. So actually, I work in this ad tech industry, and I know some insider information for this. So this is my first video, and I would like to share with you guys about them. So first of all, if I start with why data structures are important, and as far as I can tell, you all know, you have seen all the videos in the past about data structures and how to learn them and what type of questions are asked in interviews. Okay, so basically, I would here tell you about the other aspect of this scenario, and which is how much one makes if someone is stronger in data structures and algorithm. Okay, and what is the salary difference. Okay, so, like you all know, with the advancement and innovation in technology, programming is becoming a highly in demand skill for software developers. Everything you see around yourself, from smart TVs, ACs, lights, traffic signals, uses some kind of programming for executing user commands. In order to be responsible, one must always be efficient. Okay, so that is the whole concept of coding. Okay, so now data structures and algorithm are the identity of a good software developer. Okay, the interviews for technical roles in some of the tech giants like Google, Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart is more focused on measuring the knowledge of data structures and algorithm of the candidates. The main reason behind this is data structures and algorithm prove the problem solving ability of a candidate to a great extent. Like whenever you go for a software developer interview or anything like that, the most basic thing that they will ask you about is DSA. And being in an tech corporate thing, I also regularly conduct these contests, and in those contests we always try to conjure and come up with new DSA questions. Okay, also with the increase in the demand for quality software engineers, companies are paying really high to hire them. Some of the reports say that average base salary of a software developer in India is somewhere around 9 lakhs, and it goes up to 20 or 30 lakhs per annum. And this is the number that I have for past year. Now I think it is somewhere around easily 15 to 20, 15 to 30 LPA easily. And this is all the things that I have checked. So I'm not sure about that. You guys can look it up, but it is close to that. You can check out mock interviews and real interview experiences of various software developers, and on various platforms. Those are available. You guys all know, you are from CS background, like there is a thing called Geeks or Geeks. You can check interview preparation from them. That's I've gone through that, and they are very good. Okay, and recently we were talking to a software engineer, and he claimed that he was getting 30 to 35 lakh per annum as a salary. So now the question arises is, why do software developer interviews at tech giants more focused towards data structures and algorithm? Why that is because DSA is the basic of problem solving, and in the tech giants you always deal with the real life problems. Okay, like creating a time complex application. Okay, in which the time complexity is used. Okay, in which the various real life problems you have to solve, and through that you can only solve using the DSA. Okay, so they check for your competency level of the DSA and how good you are in that field. Now, what you can do to learn data structures and algorithm. Okay, so there are few things the people, they don't have, who are starting to learn the data structures and algorithm. First is, they don't have resources available for them. Okay, they always rely on their college educators and teachers. So first of all, you have to balance everything. Okay, like all the check boxes you have to sign. so that you can get some good resources to learn the data structures algorithm. And I'm pretty sure that you know like some good kind of platforms for that. Okay, so another thing, I would list some of them in my description box, and I can also provide you some code that you can use them to get some sort of discount on the course if you purchase through them. Okay, so now the second one is lack of guidance. This associates with the first point that I told you guys, that lack of guidance. When I say lack of guidance, what it means, it means is basically like you don't have a proper mentorship for you. Okay, like you solve on your own. Okay, and you battle the problems on your own, you stuck up at them. Okay, so there is no one who can help you get through, give an idea of some sorts, like how to approach a problem. Okay, or whenever a doubt arises, what will you do? Okay, and also some of you who are like listening, or just going to get into this DSA jargon, you guys also don't have any idea like how to get into it, you know like how to get into it more efficiently. And and some of you and some of you might also think that the courses that you purchase are of high priced, and they are a waste of money for you. So I would recommend, first of all, go through all the websites that I will be listing for you guys, and check the prices out, and only go for the ones who provide better value for the money that you spend. So yeah, that's all for the first thing. I will see you guys next time.